This is a question for Dan McClellan or any other scholars of religion.
All right, let's see it.
I was teaching one of my classes and we were reading a text that has a quote from the Latin version of Genesis 2:23. And in that verse, the author describes Adam describing Eve as the first woman, and it uses the term specifically virago. And that term, in all translations for the most part, is rendered simply as woman. But every definition I find has a meaning strong, ill tempered, or a masculine woman. And I was looking a little bit more into it today in the original Hebrew version of Genesis, and it seems like the term that it's rendered there is just woman. So I'm wondering what the disparity is between them.
Hey, thank you for a wonderful observation and a wonderful question. To begin, we can check out the Oxford Latin Dictionary's entry for this word, virago, which is defined here as a woman having the qualities of a man, such as a physically strong woman or a warlike or heroic woman. So let's then take a look at Genesis 2:23 because the context is going to help us a little bit here. Then the man said, "This at last is bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. This one shall be called woman, for out of man this one was taken." So it seems like the name woman, which in Hebrew is Isha, is being related to the fact that the woman is taken from the man. So saying Isha because she was taken out of Ish makes it a kind of play on words. Isha must be related to Ish. And so what's probably going on is Jerome is trying to render the words into Latin in a way that preserves the play on words. And so virago or virago is a manly woman because she was taken from man. It's not just a generic woman, it's a woman who is taken from man and so is a woman who has the qualities of a man. It's trying to make the explanation come through in the translation. At least I think that's most likely what's going on with the choice of this particular Latin word. And the fit for this video has been Gambit and Rogue Forever.